Here's a Japanese manufactured tin plate toy. It's I think it's modeled after a 29 Nash. It's got very much a lot of detail. Here's the front end. And the side. Touring car comes with the spare tire at the rear. The convertible top is folded down. And here's the interior. Doesn't have a friction motor, but this rolls very easily. It's in very good shape. I believe this is from the late 50s. Anyway, I couldn't resist getting one of these. High quality toy. Manufactured in Japan. I don't know what company made this. I tried to research it, but I couldn't find anything as yet. So, anyway, thanks for viewing.